welcome back to channel SciTech. In this, I'm going to discuss about the initial setup and what is the RAM availability and internal storage available in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes, when this is my first time doing the initial setup process and what is the bloatware applications, what are the pre-install applications, that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And this is my first time doing this kind of boot up in this Realme GT Neo 2, friends, and I'm really excited to use this phone. Let's see how well this phone gonna perform under my extreme intense kind of testing. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate for the next couple of days. So stay tuned for those videos. And is first boot up has been done, and there's couple of battery also left. I'll try to show you exactly what's the battery available, and there are some kind of terms and conditions which you need to agree to that. And let's go back and skip it. And Google services, everything is disabled. And later. So I need to definitely disable this one sometimes because sometimes it automatically updates. And yep, right now, welcome to the Realme UI. So we got the message, friends, finally, and this is a Realme UI 2.0. Unfortunately, I did expect them to launch with the Realme UI 3.0, but they didn't do that. I'm not sure why they did like that, because the Realme UI 3.0 already got released, but still they should have released this phone with the Realme UI 3.0. But anyway, so these are the bloatware applications which I'll try to go through the list. Amazon Music, Amazon Shopping, booking application, Daily Hunt application is there, and we do have the routine Facebook as well, and Josh application, LinkedIn application, Netflix, Moz, and Amazon Prime, Soloop, Snapchat. So these are the things which are already pre-installed in this kind of bloatware in this phone, as you can clearly see, which you can definitely uninstall. So there is nothing wrong in that. And let's go to the settings option to show you what is the phone. As you can see, this is a variant which I did order, which is 8GB RAM variant, and out of 128GB, 108GB is available, the storage. You can clearly see the device storage data. And Android security patch which is running about August month. So August month Android security patch it's running, not bad. So in terms of haptic feedback, not bad. I'm getting really good haptic feedback, friends. That's kind of good. So I need to do the separate testing, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So overall, in terms of the internal storage, we got to know what is the storage available. So this is 19.7GB is used out of 128GB. System usage, you can clearly see all the details, not bad. So out of the back box, the RAM available, you can see, friends, clearly. So average RAM used 3.53GB, and 45% of the use available is about 4.36GB is available out of the RAM, out of 8GB, as you can clearly see. And RAM expansion option is also there, so you can actually expand up to 5GB if you want, but by default it does come with only 3GB of expansion. So that's it, friends. It's a quick review on the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the initial boot up, and in terms of the bloatware. We got to know how many applications are there in terms of RAM availability and storage availability out of the box, and we got to know about the Android security patch update as well. What is Android, which month of security patch update, which is August month. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick details about the Realme GT Neo 2. And what is the battery percentage? I forgot to show you. 50%. That's kind of perfect. So with the 50% out of the box, we got in this charge. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and the state of more updates. And don't forget to follow the playlist which are created for the Realme GT Neo 2. The playlist will give you the clear idea of what is going on with the device. So whether to buy this phone or not, based upon the playlist, you can actually decide. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.